Assalamualaikum friends, welcome back to my channel Art with Aim. Today we are going to make a beautiful wall hangings. It's pretty easier to make, but before starting, if you have not subscribed my channel, please do subscribe it so you couldn't miss the upcoming videos. So let's start. Here we have taken an art paper, or you can say cardstock paper. Now we are going to make leaves. Here we are going to use this hot glue gun in order to make designs on these leaves. We make different designs pattern. 3 capital leaves, large size leaves, and 3 small size leaves of different designs patterns. Friends, I have also made many videos about home decor ideas like wall hangings, about paper art. You can visit my channel for this, and if you like any of video, then please don't forget to subscribe. Now we are going to use these wooden sticks, or you can say barbecue sticks. Now as these sticks are so long, so we need to cut it. For this we are going to use this wire cutter. After these sticks are made, we need to spray them by using this spray, color spray of black color. Actually we are going to use black and silver color. Lower part is of black color and the upper part is of silver color. The other leaf is needed to spray with golden color. Only golden color. You can also use metallic colors for this. Here we are done with it. We made 3 large black and silver leaves, 3 small black and silver leaves. Similarly, 3 large golden and 3 small golden leaves. Now we are going to use small circular cardboard, so we could stick these leaves on it. Now the other circular cardboard of large size is needed, so we could hide those sticks of lower part. The final step is this mirror, which we need to stick on it. Now we are actually going to stick all these things by using this hot glue gun. Okay, this one is the final and the last step by using these golden beads on the outer side of this mirror to make a beautiful shape. Here it's done. Now we need this small strip to make a holder. And friends, here's the final look of our wall hangings. Beautiful mirror decor. And if you like it, then please give me thumbs ups and don't forget to subscribe my channel.